Good morning all of you. Today we are going to practice group discussion task. That is the first task of your GTO. In this task you all will have to perform two group discussion. Group discussion is one of the most vital part of the entire preparation of your SSB. Because in the entirety you will have to perform 4 group discussion in the SSB. The first discussion during the PPDT part, the picture perception and discussion test, where you all will have to discuss and come to a common story. The second and third GD will be of the group discussion task itself, the first task of your GTO. Where for the first task, he will give you an option between the two topics. Your group will have to discuss among yourself and choose one topic among those two topics. Then after that, each topic will have 3 subleads. पर्सनल लेवल पे आपको एक सबलीड को चूज करना है, फिर लास्ट में लास्ट तक आपको उस पर डिस्कशन करना है व्हाई योर पॉइंट इज बेटर देन द रेस्ट ऑफ द 2 सबलीड्स. फॉर द सेकंड ग्रुप डिस्कशन ही विल नॉट गिव यू एनी ऑप्शन, ही विल गिव वन टॉपिक ऑफ हिज ओन चॉइस. उस टॉपिक फिर आपको खुद डिस्कशन करना पड़ेगा फॉर द 8 to 10 minutes. The time limit of the discussion is not fixed in any of the tasks. It may vary from 5 minutes to up to 15 minutes depending on the discussion of the group. अगर डिस्कशन बहुत शांत है, बहुत अच्छा डिस्कशन नहीं चल रहा, तो डिस्कशन छोटा रहेगा. अगर डिस्कशन काफ़ी अच्छा जा रहा है, लोग ज़्यादा बोल रहे हैं, पॉइंट्स आपके पास अच्छे खासे हैं, द GTO इज इंटरेस्टेड इन नोइंग मोर अबाउट योर सेल्फ, देन द डिस्कशन जो है आपको एक्सटेंड हो सकता है 15 to 20 minutes तक भी. So you need to have adequate amount of information regarding any topic that he may give you. And the fourth discussion will be performed in the form of group planning exercise, where you all will have to discuss and come to a common conclusion. This group discussion task is different from the rest, first and last one, because in this discussion you need not to come to any conclusion. मतलब कि 3 सबलीड में से you need do not have to come to a common conclusion कि कौन सा सबलीड बाकी दोनों से बेहतर है. It is just a discussion, not a debate. So आपके पॉइंट भी बाकी दोनों से बेहतर हो सकते हैं, बट सामने वाला भी गलत नहीं है. So always keep in mind that you have, even if you disagree with someone, you will have to disagree with politely. Second thing you have to keep in mind regarding your power of expression. It is a complete test of your power of expression, and the power of expression comprises of 2 parts, that is a verbal and the non-verbal part. Verbal parts that means the words that you will speak, the knowledge that you will give, that is definitely an important factor, but 93% of your communication depends on the non-verbal part. That is the voice quality that you use, the number of times you participate, and the body language that you carry. So you will have to carry a normal body language, a neutral body posture, that's just the way you're sitting right now. Your feet will be at shoulder level width apart, your hands will be resting on your lap, your spine will be straight, and you will have to maintain a proper eye contact with the group members. Do not use unnecessary hand gesture, as it will show that you have a low vocab और आपके पास confidence थोड़ा सा कम है regarding the English communication. But if you want to emphasize on any certain word, you can definitely do so. Like we should come together, India should move forward. These kind of hand gestures are allowed. But do not make unnecessary hand gestures, random body postures. अपने दायरे के बाहर अगर आपका हाथ जाएगा, like pointing fingers, किसी को हाथ दिखा के अपने बोलने से रोक दिया, those are all negative hand gestures. ये सारी चीज़ें आपको avoid करनी है. Is it clear? One more thing you have to keep in mind, that definitely English is must for the entire SSB procedure, but if you are stuck in any certain word or any certain line that you think you can express better in the Hindi language, then you can switch to Hindi, speak that word, speak that line in the Hindi language, but revert back to English as soon as possible. Here also, as well as in the SSB as well. Because power of expression does not mean that good command over English. The main thing, the main motto should be कि आप जो बातें बोलना चाह रहे हो सामने वालों को समझ में आ जाए. So you have to keep in mind कि अगर आपको इंग्लिश में समझाने में दिक्कत आ रही है, you can speak that line, speak that word in Hindi, but revert back to English as soon as possible. Is it clear? So I'm going to give you an option between the 2 topics. The topic number 1, how Indo-China border issues can be solved. How Indo-China border issues can be solved. Subleads are: first, bilateral talks; second, complete war; and third is with the help of United Nations. I'm repeating the topic. How Indo-China border issues can be solved. First is bilateral talks, second is complete war, and third is with the help of United Nations. And the second topic is what should be done to improve our current education system. What should be done to improve our current education system? Subleads are: first, more use of technology; second, upgrading syllabus at regular intervals; And third is giving more importance to practical knowledge. Now discuss among yourself and tell me which topic do you want to have a discussion on.
Member is agree with the second topic. So we will go with the. Okay, we'll go first with the second topic. Discuss with the first topic.
You want to discuss on the second topic? Yes. Okay. One more thing, the voting is not allowed. यहाँ पे भी और वहाँ पे भी. Even if you try to do a voting system, he will not allow it. The GT will prohibit the voting system. Second thing, you will have to choose only one topic. You cannot switch back later on. दोनों में से कोई एक टॉपिक पे ही आपको डिस्कशन करना है. So second topic is your final call?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second topic is your final call?
Yes, sir.
So I'm repeating the topic now. What should be done to improve our current education system? What should be done to improve our current education system? Sub-leads are: first, more use of technology; second, upgrading syllabus at regular intervals; and third, giving more importance to practical knowledge. Is the topic clear or shall I repeat it? It's clear to everyone? Okay, I'm giving you 2 minutes to brainstorm your ideas, then we will start the discussion. Ready, sir? Start your group discussion.
According to me, we should focus on the syllabus, the changing syllabus time to time, because we are following the NCERT books since from the years, and the syllabus is not updated. In science, we talk about the old topics, where we should talk about the new inventions, so our young generation can think new ideas in the.
Yes, I agree with chess number 94 that syllabus improvement is needed, but it is already happening. Technological advancement is already on the way because our current government is already focusing on the new technologies for the to introduce in our education system. But we need to focus more on practical and theoretical balance. We need to make a balance in practical and theoretical knowledge so that students can focus on their skills and so that they can get new job opportunities.
Yes,
Now in our area, there is a need of great skill development. So we all we focus on skill development in India. So there should be a need of practical knowledge for improving our
But we
education
should
system.
focus on
here in India is the
without knowing the syllabus, how will they perform practical
Yes,
knowledge?
our government initiate the process for the
But
policy making
it's not,
for
but
the
it's not
syllabus change.
implemented till now. They are focusing, but
course,
updated will take time.
there should be a balance.
Gentlemen, can we have for a minute? What I believe is that the Indian education system as of now is very good, because we have many people who are educated from India and now ruling many parts of their interest. Like we have Satyanarayana Nadella or Twitter CEO. So I don't think that Indian education system as of now is not that bad. But what I believe is there should be made some changes, like as chess number 94 said, that there should be some practical knowledge added, or syllabus should be refined or scrutinized so that the students can
Yes,
go up and improve.
I agree.
Yes,
Yes,
I agree with just now 93. So mostly they are.
There should be a balance of,
This scenario is the developing of the nation. So there should be a need of practical knowledge, and everybody is nowadays focused on practically. So syllabus is in a very bulk in NITs or in IITs or in many
But there is
institutions.
particular
But
institute now, but Indian population is large, so we should focus on overall to think about the young generation. We should not focus about the main NITs, IITs, and there are other institutes also. The syllabus should be upgraded time to time.
Yes, I agree with chess number 94.
So they can apply practical knowledge too.
So we made proper balance between practical and theoretical knowledge.
Yes, I agree with you.
Exactly.
But they will also go ahead with chess number 10 and 36. I believe they would have got their points, but you are rushing.
Okay, so you share your points.
I totally agree with 94 also that syllabus must be there. But if syllabus is there, all good, theory is there. But if practical knowledge is not there, then
Yes,
but
yes,
I'm agree with the chess number.
They should be strong, so they can.
That is what I was saying, that we need a balance in between practical and skill knowledge.
They should be based strong, and then your practical knowledge can be enhanced in a better way.
But there is one more thing we need to concentrate. That is the first point. We are forgetting the first point. We need because we know that India has some parts of rural in some areas. So what I believe is providing them Wi-Fi and giving them some laptops or tabs then it would help. The
Yes.
education system
Absolutely
is
agree
best,
with that.
and people will know more.
I think in education
Also,
policy,
the government launch
regional languages,
Wi-Fi
vernacular languages
in rural
should
area.
be
So
more focused.
Let's check number 169. Will speak, please.
State your point clearly, please.
Clearly.
I want to say that the syllabuses should be in vernacular languages, as there is country is diverse in language, so we should focus on vernacular languages.
Yes, I agree with just number 190.
Gentlemen, what is happening in India is every student are very willing to take knowledge. So they earn knowledge by the theoretically. But if we come on a practical knowledge, so they are weak in that. So that results
Yes, I
in our industry. So many on a many where
But without
there is a
the
lacking of
practical,
job and
without-
industries are denied student to giving job. So due to that only practical knowledge. So
I agree with
here
you, but, without-
government have launched many
Yes,
like
yes,
the
yes,
internship or the
I
apprenticeship
want to
program,
say
but
we
very
are-
few Indian
we are-
students are going
we are
to it.
technical graduate, and I have felt that there is a lack of practical knowledge. I have helped in practical knowledge.
Yes,
that-
Chair,
that's why
chess number
actually
169
Indian government have
is
launched
very
many
good with
schemes
this
like
point
the
because
for the practical knowledge,
we have
apprenticeship
seen-
or the internship. But we students are not willing. Means only few students are willing to do this internship or
Yes, I
apprenticeship
agree
in the
with
Yes,
this.
in the-
There
with
should
the
be a
company.
balance- there should be
So
a balance in both the way, but
Yes,
for that
changing
reason-
syllabus time to time will
For
enhance
maintaining a
your practical
balance
knowledge.
between the practical and skill knowledge, first we need to reform our syllabus. Then we can focus on the technological advancement for the additional support in our education system.
Gentlemen,
So
I agree with your point,
basically, I am
and the
saying
balance, as you say, the balance of technology and the practical knowledge is for study is very good, and for government to enhance the study, including the technology and practical knowledge also.
Please give
Gentlemen, I
please
have
give me a
a-
chance to speak.
Let just number 169 speak.
All 3 points are interrelated to each other.
Yes.
We should maintain balance in all the
All
points,
three.
because these are essential
Yes,
parts.
I am also saying the same point. The
All three are-
attention of
I agree with-
time to
I
time
agree.
will enhance practical and as well as
This ends your first GD. Chess number 44. The participation has increased from the last time, so it is good. 63. You're stammering a lot. The fluency की थोड़ी कमी आ रही है. You will have to be more fluent. 93. Good performance for the first time. Energy level is good. Power of expression. Fillers थोड़े बहुत आ रहे हैं. You have to work on that. Fluency हल्के फुल्की maintain और रखनी है. Knowledge is good. Group dynamics is also good. बस hand gesture जो है बात करते time. You make certain hand gestures. So try to avoid them. 94 इनिशिएशन लिया था. देयर आर सर्टन फिलर्स को थोड़ा सा दूर करना है, बट पार्टिसिपेशन हैज़ इंक्रीज ड्रामेटिकली फ्रॉम द लास्ट टाइम. दैट इज़ अ गुड थिंग. 148 169 पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन पे थोड़ा वर्क करना है. स्टैमरिंग काफ़ी हो रही, कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल हल्का लो है. बट इफ यू टॉक अबाउट 10 36 171 187 यू विल हैव टू पार्टिसिपेट मोर. थोड़ा खुल के पार्टिसिपेट करें. इंग्लिश थोड़ी ख़राब है, चलेगा, बट ट्राई टू ओपन अप फर्स्ट. ट्राई टू एक्सप्रेस योर सेल्फ. अगर स्टक हो रहे हैं तो एक्सप्रेस इन हिंदी, बट रिवर्ट बैक टू इंग्लिश एज सून एज पॉसिबल. ठीक है. कमिंग टू द सेकंड ग्रुप डिस्कशन टॉपिक. इसमें आपके पास ऑप्शन नहीं है. आई विल गिव यू वन टॉपिक एंड यू विल हैव टू परफॉर्म अ ग्रुप डिस्कशन ऑन दैट, बट इट विल बी रिलेटिवली सिंपल टॉपिक than the last one. Topic for today's discussion, second discussion will be why India is still a developing country. Why India is still a developing country. First, overpopulation. Second, illiteracy. And third is poverty. I'm repeating the topic. Why India is still a developing country. First is overpopulation. Second is illiteracy. And third is poverty. Is the topic clear to everyone? Okay, I'm giving you 2 minutes to brainstorm your ideas, then we'll start the discussion. Ready, sir? Start your GD.
Gentlemen, if we see in ancient time and in present time, India, the present situation of India is day by day increasing the level of developing, and if we see.
Yes, I agree with chess number 148 that India has suffered colonial rule for more than 200 years. That's why India is still a developing nation, and poverty and overpopulation is also supporting factor in the developing nation.
Yes, chess
yes, I
number
agree with chess
44.
number 44. Poverty is a major
illiteracy or most important the India developing a nation.
According
so
to- according to me-
the how to education in children's and how to improve the in the futures and technology.
This is because of
According to
poverty.
me, overpopulation is the main cause of developing our nation, because we know very well more than 50% of Indian youth is belonging from 25 year old. So this India is the young, and we know very well manpower means for the
China is also
overpopulation.
having maximum population, but still it's a developing.
As India has the second
That's why
largest population
India
in the
got
world.
a chance to developing coming in a
But main
developing
focus
this.
is, there is
So
a poverty. Because of poverty, there is lack
Yes,
of
yes,
resources.
yes.
India is not.
There is a point in chess number 63 that due to the large population, it is difficult for our government to implement schemes properly in our country. That's why we are still in a developing phase of our nation.
Gentlemen, I would like to add a point for chess number 44 that we know that we are developing still, but we should not forget that our past was very rich. I mean, India has a very good past, and just because of the colonial rule, from that phase of time, we have shifted back and we have reverted back to
Yes, I would
very
like to-
low level.
I would
But
like
the
to-
thing is that now we are developing, we need to take up some rules, and as chess number 63 said, that we need to focus on overpopulation. We need to come up with a rule that people should be only having 2 children per family, and I guess that would be a very good
I would
initiative.
like to add a point that due to colonial rule, industrialization came later in India. That's why that is the also reason for the developing. We are in still developing
I
phase.
agree.
Yes, I am agree with the chess number 44. Actually, industrialization, which will promote only youth will promote it. So that's why here need of population. So means Indian youth is their mind and their creativity is very famous in the world.
Yes, I agree to you, but
and the world is
can't be
using.
controlled in a one day. So rather than focusing on population, we should focusing on the poverty to increase the better opportunities and enhancing people in a better way. Population is already there, but we can't hold that point. So we should focus on other points.
Yes, I
So
agree
that-
with chess number 94 that
For development of India, development of India, literacy, all the participation, all the people's participation is necessary for education. For education.
Yes, I agree with
literacy
chess
rate.
number
Yes, I
71,
agree with chess number
but-
171 that literacy rate is also important for the developing nations. But we are discussing why India is lacking in a developing phase of our country. That industrialization was later, like in 1800, came later on to India, and
Yes, I agree to chess number 44, and I would like to add some points. Focusing on poverty, enhancing rural, there is maximum population in India are rural people, so we should focus on enhancing their skills and to help them in a certain way so they can enhance and they can have new technologies and facilities so they can enhance in a better
So,
way.
but
and India
chess
can
number 94
be a
is
developed
absolutely
country.
right. We need to focus on that.
Literacy.
But without removing poverty, we can't focus
Yeah,
on
absolutely.
literacy. That's the main.
I will give more focus on reducing poverty, because previous time India was the bird of gold bird, as we know that, and after exploitation by the British rule, India became
yes, chess number 169 is making a very good point that India suffered colonial rule for more than 200 years. But as we are moving forward in the coming up centuries, that we need to provide more education to remove the poverty from our nation.
This completes the entire procedure of the group discussion part. Chess number 44. Still fillers are there. You have to work on the fillers. Be more fluent in the communication. 63. So this stammering हो रही है, but participation, the power of expression from the last type has increased. Good. 93. Overall participation was good. Fillers are थोड़े बहुत बोलते टाइम पे, you just have to work on that. Otherwise, the accent and everything is good. 94. Body language has improved. Energy and enthusiasm थोड़ा सा कम है. Plus, don't always give up. Like you are giving away the opportunities a lot. कभी कभार you will have to stand on your own point कि if you are speaking, it may be valid, otherwise उसको weakness consider कर लिया जाएगा. 148 इनिशिएशन लिया था, बट उसके बाद से फिर पार्टिसिपेशन थोड़ा कम हो गया. 169 पार्टिसिपेशन बहुत कम है. यू विल हैव टू बी मोर फ्रीक्वेंट. 171 पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन में वर्क करना है. इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन इज़ क्वाइट वीक राइट नाउ, स्पेशली फॉर द SSC टेक एंट्री जिसके लिए आप सारे लोग कैंडिडेट्स हैं. SSC टेक इज़ अ डायरेक्ट एंट्री, तो वहाँ पे स्क्रीनिंग के टाइम पे स्पेसिफिकली आपके इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज पे कोई भी वीक पॉइंट नहीं देखा जाएगा. इट इज़ अ टेक्निकल एंट्री, अ ग्रेजुएट लेवल एंट्री, तो एक्सपेक्टेशन लेवल बाकी का एंट्री से कंपैरिजन में काफ़ी ज़्यादा है. तो वहाँ पे सक्सेस का रेशो थोड़ा मुश्किल है ऑलरेडी, बिकॉज आपकी डायरेक्ट एंट्री है, प्लस बीइंग अ टेक्निकल एंट्री तो थोड़ा प्रेशर आपके ऊपर थोड़ा और ज़्यादा है. सो यू कैन नॉट गिव देम अपॉर्चुनिटी कि आपकी इंग्लिश लूज है तो डेफिनेटली उनके पास एक पॉइंट अच्छा होगा आपको रिजेक्ट करने का. सेम 187 योर पार्टिसिपेशन हैज़ इंक्रीज बट यू विल हैव टू वर्क ऑन द पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन आवर. ठीक है, इज देयर एनी डाउट? थैंक यू.